Good morning. Well, so now a few days after the last video, but I have sat this morning and rewritten my to-do list, and this isn't sort of all of it really, but got to start somewhere, haven't you? Now the first thing I do want to do off of that list is to repot my peppers, because they've been a bit neglected, they're a bit leggy. So I'm actually going to, I've got some of these 2 litre rose pots that I was given, so I'm going to plant them in there, because then I can plant them quite deep. So I will move you around, and yeah, well actually it's getting a bit, let's have you off there, try and do this without the sun blinding you. Yeah, this is one of the jobs that's got to be done, because these cabbages, I mean, look at the size of that leaf. They're absolutely massive. They've not hearted up that much yet, but there are some little hearts, so they won't go to waste, but they're sort of taking over. And look, it won't be long at all. Yes, can't wait. Right, anyway, distracted again, so I'll set you up and I'll get these peppers done. Right, now this is what I mean. They're not overly huge anyway, but they've got a bit leggy, and if I move my finger, yeah, so I'm going to plant them probably up to about there, up to that leaf, so, and they should be fine then. So she says, let's have a pots. Just multi-purpose compost. Is that going to be deep enough? Yeah, that will do lovely. Oh, these are the long yellow bullhorn sweet peppers. And oh god, right, that one fell in there. That's where it'll be going then. Yeah, I had a good crop off of these last year, and I do like yellow peppers, so I'm only actually growing 2 varieties and not as many of each, so very restrained this year. Right, that's better. And I think I'll water them afterwards. And you know, they might even actually stay out in the greenhouse now. I think they'll be fine. God, that one's even worse. I don't know quite why I have neglected these so much this time, but there you go, doing too much. Where are you, bee? Don't know whether you can hear that. Oh no, go away. Go on, get out the compost. Now the wind is supposed to die down today, which I hope it does, because everything is just getting so battered. God, rubbish. And one more. actually really warm in here today. God, rubbish. And tomorrow is due to be the hottest day of the year apparently. So we shall see. I've just been watching a video because we've gained another water butt, but obviously we haven't got any water to put in it yet. So, and after this morning having a look, the holes aren't actually in the right place to connect it to the one next to it. Well, it's in the right place as such, but it's at the wrong angle. So I've been watching to see, and so that I can set up a siphoning between the two barrels. But yeah, I'm not going to do that now because I need to go and cut some hose pipe off. Right, now these are my red peppers. They're the Corno di Toro Rosso, my favourite. So they don't look quite as bad as the other ones. So, but they're still going to go in nice and deep. Right, and I've decided I'm not doing labels. Get a good old, right, excuse me. Oh, crikey. Yeah, good old paint pen. Right, Corno di Toro. That will do. So I'll get the rest of these done and then come back to you in a minute. Right, that is all those done, and they are having a drink now. So, oh, can cross something off. Now, this isn't actually on my list, the next one, but because I'm not planting any bedding outside just yet. So I've got these geraniums here, so I am just going to repot these for now because they could do with some bigger pots. Right, let's have a look, see what they're like. She says, if I can get them out of the, oh, they need a water. They're a bit dry. I don't normally do geraniums because I'm not actually over keen on the smell, but I just thought, we'll try them this year. I think they are a mixture of colours. I just hope they don't all come out red because, oh, red. At least you don't get them in yellow. Right. Oh, need to make some room. Right. Good God, I'm surprised they're still alive. Naughty me. Where I was saying those cabbage leaves were actually creating some shade, but they were also hiding some plants. So I forgot to water these. Last one. Pull off any dead bits. There we go. Oh. Right, now we're going to see if we can do this. I have watered them. They are getting so wind battered as well. So they're not looking their best. But we will see if we can get these out. That's going to be roughly right. Don't push it so hard. I think I'm going to cheat. And I'm going to go from halfway along. Oh, have you ever sort of thought, why did I do this? I think once we get them started, we'll be okay, but I don't suppose they're going to shake out, are they? Oh. Well, some are gone. Hey, it works. It works. Am I chuffed or what? God, that is dusty. Oh, I'm well chuffed with that. Didn't quite get it measured right, but hey ho. Oh, yes. Right, that's one. Now we've got to try and do the next one. That's going to be two. Right, let's have another go. Get off. Try and do this without as much interference this time. Right, let's give it a bit of a push. We've got a blockage. Oh, I like this. Right, that went a lot smoother than I was expecting. Yeah. Happy with that. Right, now, I'll give them another good water now. Yeah. Well, that went an awful lot easier than I was expecting. So, yeah. Happy, happy.